Una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening. I beg, if today now una first time wey una dey watch this my channel, make una no forget to subscribe, to like and to press the notification bell so that anytime when I upload video e go dey sound for una phone waka. And for this my channel, we dey upload every day the latest aproko, the latest gist in town. So guys, anytime wey be say I upload, make una come dey join me, okay? So I go dey see una, make una bye bye oh.
Senior Prophet Jeremiah gifts 7 million naira to Nollywood actors.
We are here to support you with sum of 6,500,000 for your transport that will follow him. Mama, this is your 500,000.
According to Matthew 25, verse 35 to 36, it says, "For I was an hungered, and ye gave me meat. I was thirsty, and ye gave me drink. I was a stranger, and ye took me in. Naked, and ye clothed me. I was sick, and ye visited me. I was in prison, and ye came unto me." The man of God, Senior Prophet Jeremiah exemplified this scripture as he came to the aid of a Nollywood legendary actor, Prince Annie Emmanuel Chukwuemeka, whom he located on the 31st of October 2021 during the Sunday service. According to the man of God, he saw a video on the internet where the actor was pleading for financial support from people in order to attend to his long-lasted health issues.
I saw an actor, Nigerian Nollywood actor, crying, said, "I am finished. If you people did not help me, anything can happen to me. I am gone." So when I was on the internet, I saw him crying for Nigerian and the world at large to help him. He was crying for help. Who can help me? I am dying. We have to help the people that will need help.
My names are Prince Emeka. I am a Nollywood veteran actor. I have been sick since December 7th, 2020. I was taken to the hospital for medication as surgery took place around my buttocks. But because of the nature of the diabetes I have in my system, the sore refused to get healed. Since then, I have been battling with my life. Along the line, I had partial stroke. And at the same time, I'm having pains in my eyes. If you look closely, you will see the growth in my eyes. That is cataract. That means if proper care is not taken, it might lead to blindness. I therefore want to seize this opportunity to thank all the people that have contributed immensely to my upkeep. I want to plead with you, friends, fans, well-wishers, brothers and sisters, wherever you are. Please come to my rescue. I need your financial assistance so that I can be taken to a better hospital for proper treatment. If possible, be flown abroad. I'll thank you all. God will bless you all as you help me live again.
The man of God called out the actor, who was accompanied by two of his colleagues. He narrated how his health issues started.
My names are Prince Emeka. Since last year, 2020, December 4th is the day I buried my elder sister. And during this burial, we were up and doing. I never knew what happened. But all I know is that on 6th day of December 2020, I began to have pains around my buttocks. I could not sit. I could not lie down from that day. The next day, being 7th, I called my doctor. He stays in Owerri. And he said I should start coming to to the hospital. I went there. After doing the checkup, go through some tests, he decided to operate on me. And I explained to him that I had this diabetes. And since 16 years, I've been going through this diabetes. He said, never mind, he knows exactly what to do. He carried out an operation on me. After 3-4 days, as he wants to open the operation to continue with the treatment, he opened the place and the place got rotten, as if they pour water on a loaf of bread. My buttocks got scattered and began to smell everywhere in the blood. I was in the hospital for 7 good months, lying down, facing down. I cannot sit, I cannot walk, I cannot eat normal food, because that is where I pass the escalator. I suffered through all this. And I began to beg him, please, you have to discharge me around July, so that I can go ahead and source for money to come and pay the balance hospital bill. That was how I left. I left, I began to struggle to make sure I do 1 or 2 jobs. Just along the line, stroke came and hit me down on a location. My right hand, my leg, my mouth, as I'm talking with you, I'm just talking for talking's sake. This mouth is not mine, but if you are looking at it, you will not see the sign, but inside me, it is happening. My right hand here is just like it is inside a freezer. The same thing with my leg, from here down to my feet, very hot from that day till today. I began to go round and round and round, and somebody talked about coming to this church.
After hearing his sad story, the man of God, in his usual kind gesture, blessed him with the sum of 5 million naira to take care of his hospital bills operation.
Today, we are here to support you with sum of 5 million.
A partner also supported the actor with the sum of 1 million naira.
There's a surprise. One of my daughters, she said, she heard the cry, it's touching her. She also supports you with 1 million naira. Bring the money.
You can see him shedding tears of joy. As if that wasn't enough, he also blessed the 2 colleagues, Mr. Emeka Rise in Ibe and Mrs. Cynthia Okonkwo, who came along with him with a sum of 500,000 naira each.
This is 500,000 for your transport that will follow him. Mama, this is your 500,000 from Jeremiah Omoto Fufuyi Foundation.
The man of God, on behalf of the Jeremiah Omoto Foundation, presented a total sum of 7 million naira to the actors. Full of joy and gratitude, they have this to say as they show appreciation to the man of God for his good deeds towards mankind.
I want to begin to thank God for this wonderful singular mannerism from the senior prophet of God, Prophet Jeremiah Omoto Fufuyi, the man of God, the man who practicalized Christianity.
My names are Prince Emeka. I am a Nollywood veteran actor. I am so happy. I never expected this, even though I know that he helps people financially and otherwise. But I never knew he was going to give me a huge amount of money like this. I want to thank members of the church. I want to thank the prophet of God, senior prophet Jeremiah Omoto Fufuyi.
Look at what the man of God gave to me, 500,000. Because I was called to come and lead one of us, Emeka. I said, God, in your infinite mercy, bless Jeremiah, Prophet Jeremiah, for us. He's a prophet of our time, honestly, and he will be alive with good health, favor, and mercy. We'll follow him all the days of his life.
This is Emeka Rising, Ibe, chairman and Doctors Guild of Nigeria, Lagos State Chapter. I am dumbfounded, short of words. I don't know what to say, but I must have something to say. I want to start by thanking Senior Prophet Jeremiah Omotofufenyi, the General Overseer of Christ Mercy Land Deliverance Ministry, Warri, Delta State. I thank him so much for his assistance towards one of my senior colleague, veteran actor, Prince Dr. Emeka.
He that had pity upon the poor lended unto the Lord, and that which he had given will he pay him again. Proverbs 19, verse 17. Senior Prophet Jeremiah gifts 7 million naira to Nollywood actors.
We are here to support you with sum of 6,500,000 for your transport that will follow him. Mama, this is your 500,000.
Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware